It's me. So this is my travel vlog from my trip to Italy. It was a really beautiful trip. We did go with craft tours, but I will have a review video. I wasn't very happy with them, just to be honest. But it was still a beautiful trip filled with amazing people, and I really hope that you enjoy it, seeing all the pictures. I did have videos, but my camera got corrupted, so they won't play. But it was just a really beautiful trip, and I hope that you feel it when you look at all these pictures. I am in love with Italy. We went to Tuscany and just to Florence and to Pisa and to Vinci and Lucca, and just to such beautiful places. We went to the Mediterranean coastline too. Genoa, I think it is. Sorry if I don't pronounce the names very well, but it was just a really beautiful trip that I took with my mom. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful place. It's enchanting, actually. And I love it, and I want to totally move there. And live in a beautiful villa and be around friendly, happy Italian people all the time and eat delicious food. So this is just a sample of my trip. It was a 9-day trip, and I will stop talking and let you enjoy the pictures and just all the beautiful scenery there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Hugs, and let me know where you'd like to go on a trip.
On this journey, what are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to last. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a dream and wake your soul. Let the music take control and learn to dance. Let's go. We've got some money and gas in the car, so let's hit the road. Can't you see we're moving slow? It's dangerous, we'll see. We'll both be gone eventually. We save and save. There's never enough for a rainy day, so let's go. Let's take a trip to a foreign place that we don't even know. Don't you feel we're moving slow? It's sudden, we'll see. The world's not waiting on you or me. You're the one I love, so come and have a little fun. What am I doing? Traveling, there's not much money. What am I saying? Making excuses, no. Ocean to ocean, I see people in places and things so clear. Oh, life has brought me here. Any, many, money, more. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh. Any, many, money, more. Try some food that I don't know. That's the rhythm of my soul, but that's me. What about you? Get on up, let's go. Let's go. We've got some money and gas in the car, so let's hit the road. Can't you see we're moving slow? It's dangerous, we'll see. We'll both be gone eventually. We'll be saved and saved. We'll be gone. Rainy day, so let's go. Let's go. Let's take a trip to a foreign place that we don't even know. Don't you feel we're moving slow? It's sudden, we'll see. The world's not waiting on you or me. You're the one I love, so love and have a little fun. Life is a journey, life is a miracle. Life can be perfect, life can be wonderful. A celebration. Let's go. Life is amazing, so dance and love and have a little. Baby, let's have some fun. Life is a journey, life is a miracle. Life can be perfect, life can be wonderful. A celebration. Life is amazing, so dance and love and have a little. Get on up, let's go. Let's go. We've got some money and gas in the car, so let's hit the Tears roll down your cheeks. I know now it's on me. I'll be setting off alarms, you be turning off alarms. You be laying in my arms, I'll be stacking up my arms. I'm driving you crazy, you seem more mad lately. You cry, but I try.
Girl, I am the one that you want. I'll be the one that you need. I be, girl. Don't even know what you want.